So for today's session that is starting, please everyone be careful. I'm just okay. So asking of query, one guy have left. Okay, fine. So I'm just saying that in the chat box, I also giving you a query. Write a program to determine whether the alphabetical character that you have entered is vowel or not. You please write down this query or perform it in your Jupyter notebook or Python idle, and I'm asking name one by one and share your screen. If anyone can't perform, there is no issue, but at least you try. I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes. Let's start from now. Just starting. No need to wait for anyone. Please start this query. Those who have newly joined, please see in the chat box. I have also given a program for whether a alphabetic character entered is vowel or not. Please write down this query in your Jupyter notebook or Python idle. If anyone can't perform, no issue, but at least you try. Anybody? Complete or not? And if face you any problem?
So facing some problem.
Okay. Swam, wait. Mehul, Alka, Adarsa, Radha just newly joined. So I'm not asking Radha. Adarsa, Alka, Mehul, what is the output?
So in this we need to return also, no? Like EI in the small letters and then the capital letters.
Mehul, I'm not asking you in the chat box. Please show your screen. If you complete, then please show your screen.
Okay, sir. One moment.
Okay, wait, I'm giving you permission. Okay, show your screen.
Okay, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Sharing screen started, but not visible till now. Yes, now visible.
Okay. We're done. Let's check with character is power. If we're supposed to be, then character is not a constant.
Okay, please run the code again.
Okay, sir.
Entered capital E.
Capital E.
Okay, and then again entered capital C. Okay, fine. So you done well. Please, guys, keep appreciating it, and he's done well. But there is no use when there is no use of so much difficult. You have done it. I'm just getting you an answer of easy way. Just
Okay, sir.
you just use if and else. Okay, just use if and else, and you can also done the program. You please in the if program you can use character variable and then using or you can also write that. Okay, but I'm just showing it. Others, okay, well, you can stop now.
Okay.
Okay, well done, Mehul. And any other who want
Can
to
I
share
show,
his? Yes, yes,
sir?
obviously. So, Alka. Just 1 minute. There's yes, Alka. It's not showing any answer. Okay, in the number 7, you can run the previous one. That in the upper portion, yes, you will run it, na? Okay, then what did you get? Why this is not running? You run this code yourself. You run this code yourself, Alka. because I am not showing you till now the function portion. Definition, creating class, then you vowels and then character. If you done by your own and the program is running, it will be very good. But if you not done your own, I'm not supposed to get answer from your side to perform any of the code by browsing or anything. Okay. If you not, I am also not doing well in some programs, but it's not matter. Please make simple way to perform any program. Okay. And the code is not running. Both code is not running, Alka. Please see what is the problem. Both code is not running. It will be kernel problem. One thing, open one another Jupyter notebook in the home portion. Go home, and then new. Not here, right side. New Python 3 kernel. Yes, in the previous notebook, untitled. Two, not two, not two. One. The last one notebook. Yes, copy the code. Paste. See whether it runs or not. Run. Okay. Now type capital A. Okay. Run again. Select this. Run again. Type W. Good. But it is using class function. Okay. Using creating class. You have been creating is underscore vowel. If you do it in your own, it will be very much appreciating. But make sure if anything is there, make sure to simplify the program. I'm just simplify and show you some just using if else statement. How can you do? Okay, stop sharing your screen. I'm just sharing my.
So how we can write this, like if we write small a e I O U and then capital A E I O U in the return value.
I'm just asking her, na, that code I'm supposed to be very confusing.
Yes, sir.
So that I am showing all of you the simple code. I am asking you, all of you in the previous class also. Wait. Okay, my notepad is showing, na, Jupyter notebook.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm in the last class. I am just already told you, please make a simple way for your code. Okay. In for today's while loop and for loop, I am showing you how the tracing is also working, because tracing is the main thing. If you understand tracing, then you can already run any of the while loop and for loop. Tracing means how the loop is working. Okay. So what is the program? Write a program to determine whether a character is vowel or not. Okay. Simple way, I'm just taking a variable. Okay. From your side, just give me a variable name. Give me a variable name. Make sure it will be two digit. Like two digit means two of times. That is CH, AB, CD. Okay. Please make sure and give me a variable name. Response. I want response from your side.
AL, sir.
AL. Okay. I'm just taking AL and then input for user input. Then enter the character. Okay. Enter the character. Now, from this, I'm just starting if elif else statement. Using if elif else statement, I am doing this query. If starting What is our variable AL? AL is equal to string starting A. That means I am assigning a variable AL the string value capital A. Okay. Space or capital AL is equal to just here E. Okay. Just like that. I. O. U. A, E, I, O, U. Done. For my uppercase letter, it will be done.
Yes, sir.
Enter. What is the statement? Print.
Print AL.
L is a
Is a vowel.
vowel. Done. Now come to the next portion. Using elif. What I am teaching you in the last class. After the components, the statements targeting from the if portion, the testing option. If it is satisfies, then it will be move on to the last state of block. But if it doesn't satisfy, then it goes for the next condition, that is elif portion. In the elif portion, what I am showing you, see, L is equal to now you can see the lowercase letter here, or now what will be print?
AL is
Yes, L is a vowel. Okay,
yes,
then
sir.
else
Else
print.
AL is a constant.
I'm just taking L is not a
Vowel.
vowel, right? See, and if anyone want to show that in the place of L, I just write down the character. Okay, that is A is a vowel or whatever I will write. So they can use here. Okay. If done. Oh, again kernel problem. Is checking online. See, okay, got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
First of all, there is a variable called AL. Okay, there is a variable called AL. I am just using user input and then write down enter the character for the user input. Okay, if then starting of the if statement, if the variable name AL double is equal to means I am assigning, single is equal to means comparing, AL assigning the string value capital A or AL assigning the string value capital E. Just like that, the vowels in the uppercase from A, E, I, O, U. I am assigning all the uppercase vowels in the particular variable that I have been used here using OR. Now, print AL, comma, string started is a vowel. Okay. If the variables, character variable that I have been put in the AL portion in the user input satisfies this condition, it will just write down and print. If it does not satisfy this, then moving on to the next. What is there? It is elif statement. AL again for the lowercase vowels. I'm just put the assigning the string character values. AL is equal to small a or AL is equal to small e or AL is equal to small I. Just like that for the all vowels in the lowercase letter, I'm assigning in the elif statement. If it satisfies, it just getting the final output. If it does not satisfy, then in the last part it is move on to the else portion. Print L is not a vowel, you can say it is a consonant. Okay, so in this is the simplest way. I'm already asking you everyone, please make try to simple the code. Okay, so
So if
yes.
in the first condition, if we write AL equal to is capital A and then the another bracket small a, and then in the else if
Hey, you can
or
also
in
do
the
that, you can also do that, but I am just okay, wait.
convert if
Hello,
else
hello,
if
hello,
in if
hello, hello. That's my
yes sir.
power. Okay, sorry, my connection is network issue. So, if you said that in the first if statement, what is?
If we combine if else and if statement in the one statement only,
Yes,
then
yes. You
like
can
capital
you
and
can
small a.
just using if and else. Then elif portion is
Yes sir.
totally out. Okay.
Yeah.
But here I am
And then
just for in this portion I am just getting all the uppercase letter in the if portion, all the lowercase letter in the elif portion, and in the that is not who are not uppercase and lowercase all the vowels in the else portion. You can also do that using if and else. It will be all similar. In this
okay sir.
portion, just here it will be end then or al is equal to small a. This one line is getting bigger, right? So that is
Yes
I
yes.
am separate by elif. You can also do that.
Okay sir.
So till now, I am just moving on to the while loop and for loop. Okay, and this is the basics loop structure. Everyone, just wait. Just sharing my wait. I'm sharing my the word file for the structure. Wait. My screen is visible, right, in the Word file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, for the while loop, can everyone please tell me when we use while loop?
When we define a condition, we can use the while.
Yes, when we want to design a condition or looping system, then we use the while loop. And in the while loop, uh, we don't know the exact location, okay, or the exact range that is known in the for loop. In the for loop, we specially mentioned the range, but in the while loop, we don't know the exact location, don't know the exact range, but using some condition, we perform our query in the while loop. So in this, yes. So what is the structure? What is the structure of the while loop? Eh, the structure is clear to all of you, or I am just zoom in my screen? Please give response. The structure
Sir, it
is
was visible, sir.
visible, right? So at first, the statement portion, okay? At first, the statement portion is come where we just predefined some statement is there. It will be n, a variable n is equal to 10. It will be n is equal to 1. For the perform of just like you that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, starting from 1. So you can also put n is equal to 1. It is the previously statement. Whatever it would be, it is the previously statement. After that, when our statement is already given, what is it going on? It is going on to the condition. The condition portion in the while loop. From there, the while loop start. From there, the while loop start. It will go to the condition. What is the given condition? Is just checking. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, then it will move on the statement block. Okay. There is some statement if the condition is true, and after the statement perform accordingly, then it moves on to the update portion. That is uh, just like printing 1 2 3, just like printing 1 2 3. Okay, what it would be done? I is equal to 1. This is the previous, first of all, this is the statement. Then it will be go on to the condition portion. While I less or equal to 3. Okay. Starting the condition. 1, 2, 3. Just 1 to print 1 to 3. While I less than is equal to 3. That means I'm just writing till 3. Okay. I is equal to 1. Going on the condition. Is 1 less or is equal to 3? Yes. 1 less or is equal to 3. That means the condition satisfies. Then what it will be done? The statement block portion. Here, this portion. Print I. Okay, the statement perform done. Update the condition for the loop expression. Okay, what it will be done? Then I is equal to I plus 1. That means it will upgrade to I is equal to I means 1 plus 1. That is 2. Now, what is the I value? 2. It will go on for the next loop. Okay. For the next loop. Okay. For the next loop. It just satisfy or checking the condition is now. Now I value is 2. 2 is less or equal to 3. Yes, 2 is less or equal to 3. Print condition satisfy. true, condition is true. Going to the statement block, print I, that means print 2. Okay, now what is the update? Going to the update portion, 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, updated value is 3. Now the I value is 3. Okay, going to the next part, again to the condition, statement X. Now what is the I value? I value is 3. Going to the condition, while I less or is equal to 3, is 3 less or is equal to 3? Right, 3 less or is equal to 3. Condition satisfies. True, print I, that means print 3. Okay, printing done. Now to the update portion, I is equal to I plus 1. What is the next I value? Is equal to 3 plus 1 means 4. I value update. Now the I value is 4. Going to the statement portion, now it will checking for the condition. What is the I value is now 4. While I less or is equal to 4. Sorry, I less or is equal to 3. That means 4 less or is equal to 3. Condition does not satisfy. False. Statement Y, that is the final output. 1, 2, 3. Understand? Everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is how the while loop works. Okay? This is how the while loop works. If anybody want to take the screenshot of this structure, please take a screenshot. Just first of all, I am just erase it.
তোর অবস্থা খুব খারাপ
Yes, yes.
এত খারাপ
Hello. Who is there? Hello. Okay. So please check it and take a screenshot of it. Okay. Giving you 1 minute. Done, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving on to the Python notebook. Okay. Make heading here. Looping. What is a looping? When, write down in your notebook, when we perform some operation for n number of times, okay, because we don't exactly know the range, know the numbers. It will be for loop, it will be while loop. In the for loop we know the range, but in while loop we just get some conditions. So for the random purpose I am just writing here for a number of times. Okay, then we perform looping system. Write down. Then two types of loops: for loop, while loop. While loop, when we don't know exact location or exact range, but we have some condition to perform our query, then we should use while loop. Okay, please write down on your notebook. And the next program, write a program to print your name 10 times. Okay. Everybody write down the looping description, looping definition, the two types of loop, for loop and while loop. Then the while loop start when we don't know the exact location or exact range, but we have some conditions to perform our query, then we should use while loop. Okay. Everybody writing down on your notebook?
Yes, sir.
So write a program to print our name 10 times. Tell me, what is the main condition? What is the main tracing? That is a tracing portion. How we write down this code, all of have the another tracing portion. Please tell me what is the main fundamental block of statements, main condition for printing my name 10 times, printing your own name.
So name is in the string, so we have to start with a string, then name.
First of all, what we would do?
So we have to write str equals to enter your name, and then in the next line we have to print our name, and then in the next line we have to.
You tell me. Wait, I'm just writing. str is equal to my name, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
And then the next line we need to write to.
tell me what right? While loop, right?
Yeah.
While loop. Then
While loop,
what is the
then
condition?
we have to write like if I equals to int I equals to
While I is equal to
0,
while
I equals to
0 0.
yeah.
While I is equal to 0.
Yes, and then I is less than equal to or 10. We can write or
In where? You tell me clearly. While I is equal to 0. Then in the next line, I write I.
I know it doesn't run.
Yes. Because I also know in the college, in the while and for loop portion, whatever in the books or whatever professor have told us, learned us, we just basically remind that thing and then put in our exam copy. But we know how the while loop and for loop works. It also
Yes, sir.
it also productive for me because I also do that in my college life, in my master's life also. But after that, I just rectify how the loops are running. That is the main tracing portion. I have also shown you 1, 2, 3, the programming, the tracing portion. Okay. Now I'm clearly again for this coding, I'm showing you the tracing. You tell me that while I is equal to 0, what is the I? You don't know, you don't call it, you don't summon it, it is a variable. Why? Just starting putting I in the while loop. See, okay, starting from I is equal to how many times? 10 times. Okay, First of
10
all, I'm
times.
writing down the code. Then I'm understanding you, all of you. I will teach how the tracing works. I is equal to 10. Okay. Number of times that I have print my name 10 times. I put the integer value in the variable I is equal to 10. Then while I not is equal to, sorry, 0, while I not is equal to 0, enter, print a name from your side, let others. Okay. Now, update portion. Please remind the statement of blocks or the structure that I have shown you in the while loop. Take screenshot. I think all of you screenshot taking. Input, enter your name. Mehul, what you have sent me in the chat box, please try in your Jupyter notebook. If it is run, then it will be right. And you can share your screen after my example. Then all of you can send your code. Print others. Okay. Then update portion. What will be the updated condition? I is equal to I minus 1. Okay. 10 times, right? So I minus 1. Then see 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you put here let's check, we put here I is equal to I minus 2, then what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How it works? That is the main question. How this code to print my name 10 times work? Okay. Where is the node? Yes, white. All of you visible my whiteboard, right? All of you have seen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. White not. Oh. First of all, I am just taking I is equal to 10 because 10 times it will be shown. Then while I not is equal to 0, loop start. Then I write print and just name, NAME. I'm just using name. Then the updated condition I is equal to I minus 1. Just leave it. The tracing portion. I is equal to 10. Condition I not is equal to 0. Print. That the purpose. Print. Print. Then the update of condition I is equal to I minus 1. First thing I is equal to 10. Okay. It will be done 10 times. What is the main thing that have been pinned? Name.
Name.
So first of all, it's starting from the end portion. Okay, starting from the end. that is I is equal to 10. If I is equal to 10, I less not is equal to 0. Yes, I not is equal to 0. That is satisfy. What it would be print? Name. Then the update condition. What is the update condition?
I minus 1.
I is equal to I minus 1. That is 10 minus
Minus
1.
1.
That
9.
is 9. What is the I value now? 9.
Yes.
Is I not is equal to 0? Yes.
Yes.
What it will be print?
Name.
What will be the next I value? 8.
9 minus 1, 8.
Yes. 9 minus 1, 8. Now I value is 8. Is 8 not is equal to 0? Yes. Satisfy the
Yes, sir.
condition. Then name print. Then the update condition
8
7.
minus 1, 7.
In this way, when it will be go for 1, 1 not is equal to 0? Yes.
Yes.
Print n, name.
Name.
Now what is the update condition of the update value of I? 1 minus 1,
1 minus 1.
0.
0.
Now the new value of I is 0. Is 0 not is equal to 0? No, it does not satisfy.
No, sir.
0 is equal to 0. Loop stop. Understand? This is the tracing.
Yes,
It
sir.
is called tracing for all code. It should be tracing there. If you understand this, you all perform the whole while loop and for loop there. So this is the code and perform the while loop. I is equal to 10, starting from 10, while I not is equal to 0. Is I not is equal to 0? Yes, satisfy. Print, what will print? The name. Update condition. What is the new I value? I is equal to I minus 1. That is 9. Move on to the statement again. 9. Is 9 not is equal to 0? Yes, it satisfies the condition. Print name. What will be print? Name print. Update. What is the updated value of I now? 9 minus 1, 8. In this way, when it will be 1, 1 not is equal to 0, satisfy, print name, and then the update value of I is 0. Then when the I value is 0, 0 not is equal to 0, no, 0 is equal to 0, that is satisfy the condition, the loop stops here. Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please take a screenshot for this portion.
Done, sir.
Done everybody? I am wanting response from all of you, not just 2 or 3.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Fine. Just wait. Heading. Please give a heading on your Jupyter notebook. Print in reverse order 10 to 1. Write a program to print 10 numbers, first 10 numbers in reverse order. Now try in your notebook, giving you 5 minutes. I also showing you how it works. If anyone perform in your notebook, please understand or show me what is the tracing portion. If you understand tracing portion, then it will be very much satisfy, very much comfortable for you to perform any while loop, any for loop. Please write down in your copy or in your notebook. I'm just waiting for 3 to 4 minutes. This coding is sent by Mehul in my chat box. It is absolutely correct. And in spite of in the state of zero, you also Mehul, if you listening, in spite of here n is equal to 0, you can also try that. It also happened. Okay, both way. In the both way, n greater than 0, greater is equal to 1. In the both way, you can also perform this code in reverse order. Okay, anyone who cannot understand this, is it necessary to understand you by tracing, or just in code you all understand? You all understand by seeing this code.
Yes, sir.
No need of tracing, right? See, this is also correct. Well done, Alka. And what is this means? Not Alka saying any of in spite Alka. Alka, you don't say. Other than Alka, please saying what is it means and why it works in this while loop.
So for the reverse counting, we use the I minus equal to 1.
For the reverse counting, we use I minus 1, we know. But what is the
No, but
meaning of
yeah,
this?
the reverse, for the reverse counting, na, like,
What it means here?
no, it's written I equals to 10. Then we have to decrease the number by 1. So then we have right minus 1.
We we
Like
we
10.
we decrease the number by 1 or increase the number by 1.
No, sorry, number by 1. Sorry. So 10, 9, 8, 7. Yeah, we have to write in the reverse now. So
It means it is a which type of operator? Which type of operator is it? Yes, it is a assignment operator. It means, first of all, operation works, that is I minus 1, then assigning the value, that means this. Okay, so see, Alka, from all of you, she used the assignment operator, the perfect sign. Okay, well done, Alka. Is anyone who I want to understand or learn, you all of you, the code by tracing? Please tell me. If I need for tracing, is anyone is there who can't understand the code and need tracing that I previously show you how the workflow of while loop works? Is there any need, or I will move?
sir.
No need, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? No need. I don't. I want don't show, right?
No, sir. No need to do the
Okay.
tracing.
Okay. So then please. Okay, just for now, I'm just moving on to the while loop. Then, oh, sorry, moving on to the for loop. Then I'm giving you some question. So for loop. What is the for loop and why it is used? Please tell me. Why you use for loop? What is the basic difference from while loop?
Execute blocks of code.
Yes, execute blocks of code in while loop also. But what is the main thing that differs from while loop to for loop? Okay. So no time waste. I am just giving you when we have the range means the starting value and ending value, then we go for loop. Understand everybody? When we have the range means the starting value and the ending value, then we go for loop. Note down in your copy. And I'm giving you the example of for loop. What is the example? Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Write down a program to show four numbers including 0. That means in range 1, sorry, that means in range 5, 0, no, 5. Okay. This is the program. Write a program to show first four numbers including 0. That means write a program to show the numbers. The range is given 0 to 5. So what it would be the code? Here the starting value we have given there. Okay. And the ending value is there. But for the for loop, okay. But for the for loop, this is the starting point or starting value, and this works as index value. This works as index value. Okay. Remind that it is index, it is positioning. When I am showing you the string operation, then the first option was index, next option was positioning. But in the for loop, first option is positioning value, next option is index value. How the what is going on here? First of all, for just this, for simple code, for I in range, okay, just give there 5, or okay, print I. See, when I just single given range, it will gives us 5, just single range. It is the index value works. And when we mention the starting value and ending value, that is the both 2. So 0 is the starting value and 5 is the index value where it will be end. For I in range, we mention range 0, starting value 0, 5 index value. What will be the 5 index value? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it works in this. What will be the fourth time? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And giving you one code. I'm just showing how it works here. Wait. Bro. Write down it. Write a program to perform numbers range 1, 20 in step count 3. What is the meaning of step count 3? 1, 4, 7, sorry, 10, 13. In this way, the loop will go on. Please write down it on your notebook. And if completed, then told me. Write down in your copy or notebook. Complete everyone. Yes, Mehul absolutely right. For I in range 120 and comma 3. This is the step count and just run it. And if you want to give this output for num in range 121 and 3. Okay, Swam, I am here. See, Swam, this also works. Okay, but What is the difference from this and this? Why it would be not wrong? Can anyone tell me? Why this is 20, this is 21? What is the difference and why it will give us the same result? Why it is not wrong? Oh, so one thing that I am telling you, if we want to print horizontally, then just comma end is equal to put the string. Okay, then run. If we want to get, it will be also there. See, if you want to print horizontally, then you can also doing that. Okay. So tell me why these answers are same, not getting any wrong. Well done, Swam and Mehul also. Because the 3-step count after 19, it will be 22. So whether it will be 20, whether it will be 21, not wrong. But I am already specially mentioned the range 1, 20. So this will be the right. So I am, please check. I am already mentioned the range 1, 20. Okay. No issue.
Okay, sir.
Both are correct for getting the answer. And the last one for the wait. For loop for loop for loop calculate not is for is using for loop calculate average of in natural numbers. Do it on your copy or notebook. Sorry, and make sure using, I'm telling here for the n natural of numbers, that means it should be user input. Okay, it should be user input. No apologies, Mehul. It will be your query. So you have asked me in the chat box that so is it inclusive of the starting value, but exclusive of the ending value, sir. Yes, that means it just in the for loop, it works on the basis of index. Okay, what it is means? It means when we give you the range 1, 6. Okay, 1, 6. So I'm just erase it. 1, 6. It is given us the range. The numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, infinite numbers are there. Okay. Here, 1 is the starting point. It is mentioned here. Okay. For the string operation, tuple operation, I am showing you starting value is the index. But here in the for loop, first option is the given the range. The starting value is the positioning value. Okay. Sorry, starting that is the starting point. That is the starting value 1. not the positioning, starting value 1. And 6 is the index value, that is 0 index 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6.
यहाँ पे बैंक के dishes.
4 3 2 1. So it will give us the answer 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I think you understand this. Index value 6. Okay, starting value and index value, that is the work shares.
This one.
So I am you write it na? Just checking.
Yes, sir.
Enter a value for n. 10. Or
There's a confusion. It doesn't get any output.
why to get any
It
output?
doesn't. Sorry?
What is the why it get any output?
There don't get any output.
Why?
No output is showing.
Why?
I don't know, so I'm also confused because I think the last I didn't print the statement. That's why. Should I write at last print in bracket average?
What you have been done here wrong?
Should we write print equals to bracket average?
Yes, 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 right. Copy the. Okay, just I'm sending you. First you send int or double. Mehul, the output would be double also. You can also take 0.0 because average na. So you can also
Yes,
taking
sir.
there. So I'm just giving you the code in your check. So I'm already sent you. Copy it and then giving the option print. I think it will be the problem of printing, right? It will be I'm giving yes. What we use for total. It also don't run. Chemistry. Okay, I'm just checking of chemistry. Okay, I think there is also kernel. Okay, this problem is so much difficult. It's not showing any result. Oh,
Yes, sir. No output.
this is the right answer. That is the simplest way in printing the in number of natural in types of natural numbers average. Well done, Hemasri. But the problem is the kernel is not working properly. Don't know what is the problem is going on to the kernel in Anaconda. These days is so much facing problems. Okay. Okay, just doing it for today. I'm just getting you from my side, getting the variable called n. Okay, int user input another parenthesis open in the string, enter the value of n. Okay, because here we want to search or find in natural numbers average. Then don't need to taking average full name. Okay, avg short name taking average, it can be float, maximum time it will be float, so taking 0 0.0. Then for some we just don't need to taking here the float option, because in number of natural in natural numbers total, so just taking sum for s is equal to 0. Okay, now the condition of for loop starting for I in range. What is the range? Here I just ask you, yes, calculate average of n natural numbers. N means we should print, when we print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is there is the range is 5. So we should want n. So what will be the range it would be? It would be yes, it would be n plus 1 to print n natural numbers sum or average. Okay, 1 plus I in range 1 comma n plus 1. Now what it would be going on, s is equal to s plus I. That means the number that we have been put for in the range, s means the sum is equal to s plus I. Enter. Loop condition end. Now average avg is equal to s divided by I. End. Now print option for the final block of statement. Print the sum of first end, then comma n comma list start natural numbers. Okay, is then comma what will I taking the variable for sum s 2. Then again there it is going out here. Then copy paste the average of first in natural numbers is a v j avg. Now run. What is the problem going on? You will while scanning string literal. What is the problem here? Some of the first. Okay, just the sum is see what was the previous problem. The previous problem is here by somehow don't know it taking the here is the problem. And the kernel also is there. So I just forget it and just using the sum is the averages. And see, it is the answer. What is the tracing? What purpose it will get us the answer? First of all, we use the user input for showing. Then as the average is float, okay, so the double, we use 0.0 taking for the final statement, final value taking, and then s is equal to 0. Because sum is also we are not taking any double value because n natural of numbers there. And the for loop is starting. The range is given 1 comma n plus 1. I means the value in the range 1 comma n plus 1. When the I is 1, that means a sorry. Wait a minute. When the I is 1 in that range, what will be the next line? S is equal to s plus y. That is, what is the s? S, the initial value is s is 0. Means 0 plus 1. Now the s is 1. Okay. In that way, the loop continues till n plus 1. That means when we take the 5, it will take till 6. Okay. And then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Sum, it will get average s divided by I. 5 numbers s, what will we get here? Is s divided by 5 I, that means 5. It is the average. Okay. Then we just print the sum and the and then again this average. First of all, we just taking here the user input. In this way, in the for loop portion, this tracing works here. Everybody understand? Is there any confusion for today's class?
No, sir.
Okay. So, what will be? I am giving you some questions on the basis of while loop and for loop in your group. Okay. Checking the group. It will be tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. I will giving you all of this. And first of all, you will getting today's video. Okay. Then I will giving you all the questions basis on while loop and for loop. There are 3 questions specially, that is palindrome 1 2 1, repeating 1 2 1. The number is palindrome or not? Okay, I will show you using the particular value. You will show me using user input. Okay, and there is again one thing, 1 4 3, 1 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, 1626. There is a this is a code, one is there. So these 2 codes is particularly there. I will give you tomorrow. Okay, in your group. And there is a Google form also, because the previously if elif else statement, I will not send you any Google form for the assignment portion. So please verify it, all of it, and then and your next class would be Friday morning. Okay. Whenever the left question, whenever the left all the query using while loop and for loop, if statement, if else statement, if else statement, all discussed there. And then I will move on to constructor. Okay. The basics and the constructor, abstraction class, oops concept there. I'm moving on to it. And then while loop and for loop, it is the main portion for building query. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm just sharing you the attendance link. Everybody understand today's class?
Yes, sir.
Any query? Any problem you
No,
have been
sir.
faced? Okay. I'm sending you the attendance link in the chat box. Sorry. Okay. I'm sending you in the chat box. Please check it and fill up your attendance. Don't feel bored, na? In the class? All good?
No, sir.
And any problem you face? Okay, so please fill up your attendance. Whoever complete your attendance, you can leave. And this is for today's class. Hope you all understand while loop, for loop, if else statement, how it works. There are so many code. Okay. I just share you one my experience in the in my college master's degree. Okay, just for stopping